Zhuhai, baby. Zhuhai, baby. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. It's Zhuhai, baby. Checking out Zhuhai, baby. Let's see Zhuhai, baby. Always more to see, always more places to go. Let's see what's down the street. Let's wander and meander. Yeah, Zhuhai, baby. Is Zhuhai, baby.
We're in Zhuhai. It's a Monday. I don't know if it's a holiday or not. I don't really see students. I might see them later. It's a little bit raining, and we're at Sun Yat-sen campus. We're just gonna walk around a little bit, kind of give you an idea what it looks like. Surrounded by tons of mountains. It's really peaceful. You hear the birds. I think it's about, I came in on one gate and it was like 2.5 kilometers just across into the other side. So we'll probably just there's, I think, dormitory stuff over there. We'll probably walk down that way. And it's raining. Okay, stay tuned. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you were there yourself. You got some ducks right there. All these little ducks, they came in. Nice, beautiful lakes throughout. Little, all kinds of stuff. So let's go and check it all out. I think these are all dormitories right here. And you have this nice little space. You can walk along these park benches. A lot of bike paths along here, and I think also cars can go through here. But it's more bikes than anything. Lots of bikes underneath there too. So yeah, kind of nice setting here in Zhuhai. Show you more. All of these spaces, bikes. And then it looks like there's something way down there too. Some nice settings. We're gonna go check that out and see what that's all about. And all these bikes, I think these are like city bikes that you can rent. So beautiful, especially all the mountains all the way around. The campus is so big. There's a convenience store over there. I should walk over there and see what's in there. Yeah, all kinds of interesting stuff. Another nice structure, architectural structure right there. So we're kind of walking around and seeing what it all looks like. I was back in there. There's mountains way in the background, so it's we're kind of surrounded by mountains. It's really beautiful, very spacious. Anyways, I don't know. It's like quite like more bike oriented. So I'll just give you as much of a context as I can. Okay, let's get into another whole different spot altogether here. Catching all this with a GoPro. I don't know if the GoPro is the best option. Should be with the phone, but I just don't. Looks nice. All these brick buildings as well. We're gonna go all the way up that way. I just noticed they also have kayaking and then also the dragon boat things in there as well. Nice brick buildings everywhere. I think we're going to be walking towards the exit, and then way over there, this way is the beach. And I think there's more university over there as well. We're going to be walking right to the beach, and I'm going to end the video over there. But before I do, you can see the campus from the main road. Looks like that. It's beautiful. Okay, we're going to end the video. It's a little bit hard to see, but that's the whole beach all the way down that way, and that's all part of the Sun Yat-sen campus too. All these brick buildings, so it's kind of the front part along the beach. I walked down this way, so I kind of can't follow this little river here. I thought I was going to come down right at that beach, but I didn't. But I'm going to end my video But we're right at the Tangjia Bay. You see all the beautiful coastline here. So anyways, that's Sun Yat-sen. I'm gonna find another thing to film in Tangjia. Probably walk around this little corporate area and see what that's all about. I think there's a train station in there somewhere. And yeah, so that's Sun Yat-sen University. A little slice of Zhuhai for you.